How to download apps on Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Open the Smart Hub. Press the Home button on your Samsung TV remote. This will open the Smart Hub, Samsung's main menu for accessing all the TV's functions, including apps. Step number 2. Navigate to the Apps section. In the Smart Hub, use the arrow keys on your remote to scroll over to the Apps option, usually represented by a small icon or text that says Apps. Select it by pressing the Enter button on your remote. Step number 3. Browse or search for an app. Once in the Apps section, you'll see a selection of popular apps as well as categories like entertainment, lifestyle, and video. Browse through these categories to discover apps or select the search option if you have a specific app in mind, such as Netflix, Hulu, or YouTube. Use the on-screen keyboard to type in the app name if you're searching manually. Step number 4. Select and install the app. Once you've found the app you want, select it by pressing the Enter button. This will open the app's detail page where you can see information about the app and sometimes user reviews. Select Install to begin downloading the app. You may see a progress bar indicating the download status, and it should only take a moment. Step number 5. Open your installed app. After installation, the app will appear in your app list within the Smart Hub. To access it, go back to the main app section or locate the app directly on your home screen. Select the app and press Enter to open it. Step number 6. Organize your apps. To keep your favorite apps handy, you can add them to the home screen for easier access. Highlight the app, press and hold the Enter button, and select Add to Home.